Did you know that Bangladesh has one of the largest parliaments in the world? Well, if you didn't know about it, then get ready to be amazed by the beauty of the National Parliament of Bangladesh. It is located in Shirabangla Nagar, the capital city of Dhaka. This building is not only the main building of the legislature of Bangladesh, but it is also considered one of the most famous architectural works in the world. Welcome to our channel, your place for all the news from Bangladesh and beyond. Won't believe me if I say this, but it has 330 rooms. The entire building is made of concrete and steel. The walls are 2 feet thick, and the columns are 2.5 feet thick. The interior of the dome is finished with white Italian marble, and the walls are covered with red sandstone. The main chamber of the parliament is located on the 3rd floor. It is where the members of parliament assemble to debate and pass laws. The chamber is circular in shape and can accommodate up to 350 members. The chair of the speaker is located in the center of the chamber, and the seats of the members are arranged in a circle around the chair. The walls of the chamber are decorated with murals that depict scenes from the history of Bangladesh. The whole building is surrounded by a large garden that was designed by the famous landscape architect Thomas D. Church. The Prime Minister's office is located in the center of the building, and the cabinet rooms are located around the Prime Minister's office. The first floor houses the offices of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of Finance, and the Ministry of Home Affairs. The garden has a variety of plants and trees, including some that were brought in from other parts of Bangladesh. And even though it looks like it's made of glass, there isn't a single glass pane used in the construction of the Parliament building. The National Parliament of Bangladesh, also known as Jatiya Sangsad Bhavan, is a shining example of Bangladeshi architecture. The construction of the parliament began in 1961 and was completed in 1982. The famous architect, Eye visitors can explore the building and its grounds, but they are not allowed to enter the main chamber or the offices of the Prime Minister and the Cabinet. The Parliament building is truly a symbol of Bangladesh's independence and sovereignty. It is a reminder of the country's struggle for freedom and its hard-won democracy. Khan, who was an American architect, designed this building. He's best known for designing the National Assembly of Pakistan and the capital of Bangladesh. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. We will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. It is truly a masterpiece, as it is the largest dome in the world, with a span of 183 feet. To give you some perspective, the largest dome in India is the one at the Humayun's tomb, which has a span of 138 feet. So the dome of the Bangladesh Parliament is wider than the span of the Taj Mahal. How crazy is that? Fortunately, he never saw the final product as he passed away in 1974, but his legacy lives on through his amazing work. The main reason why this building is so famous is because of its unique shape. It looks like an octagon from the outside, but in reality it is irregular in shape and has no angles or sharp edges. The idea behind this design was to symbolize the political parties coming together and forming a government. Just like pieces of a puzzle, all the political parties come together to form a complete picture, which in this case is the government. The Parliament building has 6 floors above ground and 3 floors underground. Covers a total area of 22,000 square meters. Now let's talk about the most interesting part of the building, the dome. The dome is supported by 8 massive concrete columns that are 14 feet in diameter. Now let's take a look at what's inside the building. The 2nd floor of the Parliament building houses the offices of the Prime Minister and the Cabinet. The Parliament building is a popular tourist destination in Dhaka. So next time you're in Dhaka, be sure to visit the National Parliament of Bangladesh and marvel at its beauty.